friends, welcome to Easy and Homestyle Cooking. I'm Mrs. Ragini. Today I'm going to show you a snack recipe which kids will love it, and this is nothing but corn and potato sticks. So we are going to make a snack for kids. So to make this, first we need potato and corn. You can use sweet corn or regular corn. What I did is I have boiled the potato and I have mashed it nicely. So this you can add it in a bowl, and also sweet corn. Sweet corn also I have finely chopped it, and also some green chilies for spiciness. If you are giving for kids, you can just reduce the amount of green chilies, and some finely chopped onions, and some red chili flakes just for little color, and some garam masala. If you want you can add, otherwise you can skip, but I am adding very little, and salt as per taste, and mix these. For binding we are going to add some maize flour, that is cornmeal flour. So here I have the cornmeal flour, very simple. Just mix everything and we are going to put it into our stick, and we are going to deep fry this. If you want you can shallow fry also. Now add some finely chopped coriander also. You can add some extra of maize flour, or you can add rice flour, you can add besan, but we can try different kinds of flours for binding, and even oats powder you can add. You can see this is nicely binding. So now this is ready. We can put it to our sticks. So here I have the stick. These are ice cream sticks. What we are going to do is just take a dumpling and put it in the center. Leave the edges, and just in the center we are going to put this mixture. So dear friends, just make it like this, like ice cream. This remembers my childhood ice cream, wherein I used to purchase in summer on roadside. They used to give for only 10 paisa one pal ice cream, milk ice cream. So isn't it similar to that? Now for an ice cream you need to pay more than 20 rupees even for a stick. So this is ready. Now what we are going to do is, here the oil is also nice and hot. Now we are going to deep fry this. If you want you can coat this with little bit of breadcrumbs or oats, or anything. You have so many ideas, so you can just coat this and you can deep fry. But today I am not coating with anything, just directly deep frying it. Now the oil is hot, and hot corn and potato ice cream sticks will be ready once you deep fry this. Have you ever tried this? This won't take much time to fry. We need to fry till we get a nice golden color both the sides. So dear friends, here you can see I have nicely fried till our corn and potatoes ice cream sticks till nice golden color. See, isn't it very simple dish? And if you give it like this, kids will love this. Just transfer this onto a plate, paper towel, and when you are binding your mixture to the stick, what you do is just close the edges so that it won't leave your stick. Then you will get an excellent ice cream sticks like this. See, if you want, just pour little bit of tomato sauce on top of it. This is not licking ice cream, this is eating ice cream. Hot, but very tasty. Nice sweet corn, crunchy onions are coming, and I added good amount of coriander. Wow, very nice. So dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this very simple recipe. Please do try this and feed your family fresh food, and also share with your friends. See you in another session.